Are you in Canada and wondering if you can finally use Cash App in 2025? Let's clear it right now. Despite its growing popularity in the United States and the United Kingdom, Cash App is still not available in Canada. That's right, you can sign up or you cannot sign up, send, or receive money through the Cash App if you're based in Canada. Here's why. To use Cash App, must have a debit card issued either from the US or the UK. Even if you want someone to get access, your account will remain limited unless your identity. And here's the kicker. Full verification requires your legal residency in the US or UK, along with documents like your social security number. This is because Cash App, like all regulated financial services, follows strict know your customer or KYC laws. These laws are in place to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other financial crimes. So unless you're legal resident of the US or UK, you won't be able to use your Cash App full features or even create an account from Canada. Now, will this change in the future? Possibly, but as 25, Cash App is still not available in Canada. If you're in Canada and looking for alternatives, there are other peer-to-peer apps and services designed for Canadian users. But when it comes to Cash App, the answer is still no. Thanks for watching, and still, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tech Explains. Thanks for watching.